This isn't an oops moment, neither is it the pilot's carelessness, but it is actually a strategic move that helps the jets while landing. Confused? Well, this is actually a fascinating process that goes by the name of jettisoning fuel. Based on the trip, the jet is filled only with the necessary amount of fuel. However, sometimes things happen mid-air, and the fighter jets need to land early or return to the runway due to an emergency. And having a massive load of fuel in the tank can pose a severe risk.